Welcome to our channel. Have you ever experienced the frustration of a corrupted hard drive and losing access to your precious files and data? Today, we're going to show you how to recover data from a corrupted hard drive using Stellar Data Recovery software. This powerful tool can help you retrieve your lost files and get back to work quickly. Imagine this scenario. You're working on a critical project and suddenly your hard drive becomes corrupted. You try to access your files, but they're nowhere to be found. Panic sets in, and you wonder if you'll ever see your data again. That's where Stellar Data Recovery comes in. This software is designed to recover data from corrupted, damaged, or formatted hard drives, SSDs, and even external storage devices. With its advanced algorithms and user-friendly interface, you can recover your files in just a few clicks. First, download and install Stellar Data Recovery from the link in our description box below. Once installed, launch the software and select the type of files you want to recover. The software will then scan your hard drive for recoverable files. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the size of your drive and the amount of data to be recovered. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a list of recoverable files. You can preview these files to ensure they're the ones you need, and then select the ones you want to recover. Finally, select a safe location to save your recovered files. It's essential to save them to a different drive to avoid overwriting the original data. That's it. With Stellar Data Recovery, you can recover your files from a corrupted hard drive in just a few easy steps. This software supports recovery of over 300 file types, including documents, images, videos, and more. Don't let data loss hold you back. Download Stellar Data Recovery today and start recovering your files. Click the link in our description box to get started. That's it for today's video. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter. You'll get exclusive discount codes, the latest tech news, and early access to updates on the best software deals. The link to sign up is below this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials and reviews.